What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
When her son Teddy Mazzini turned 6, he invited 32 people to his birthday party at a pizzeria in Arizona in the United States. There, pizza, soft drinks, sweets, and surprise bags were guaranteed, as well as a fun event next to his friend. However, to the boy's sadness, none of his guests attended the party, so his mother decided to do it. Check it out. Teddy, a boy from Arizona, turned 6 this weekend and invited all his friends to celebrate. Only none of the 32 guests showed up. Teddy, a boy from Arizona, turned 6 this weekend and invited all his friends to celebrate. The plan was to share Sunday afternoon surrounded by friends and parents of friends at the Peter Piper Pizzeria in Tucson. Only none of the 32 guests showed up. The story went viral through a post on the social network Facebook of a journalist from Tucson. In the image shared by journalist Nick Vincent, you can see the sadness and disappointment of a child who has had no birthday. According to statements by the boy's mother to the ABC Arizona television station, the invitations would have been sent well in advance. Some children even replied that they could not attend, but the rest did not even show up. In the image caption, the journalist makes an appeal at the request of Sil Mazzini, Teddy's mother. If you have the opportunity, wish Teddy a happy birthday. His mother sent this to me after Teddy's friends missed his birthday party. Dozens of people sent messages of encouragement and congratulations to little Teddy. In some of them you can read, "Happy birthday. My 6-year-old son had a birthday party a few months ago and almost the same thing happened. Only a friend from school came. Luckily, we had a lot of family and friends there. You're not alone because you have school friends who don't show up," wrote a father. A woman commented, "Happy birthday. The people we love may not always be physically present, but that does not mean that you're less loved. I hope you had a great birthday and a lot of attention to your mother, the most important guest for you of all." Sil Mazzini, in the face of all the solidarity shown, hurried to thank all the affection. "Thanks, I've shown him the messages and he's smiling," she wrote. But the best gift would come later. The Phoenix Suns basketball team, knowing the story, decided to invite little Teddy to watch a game against the Los Angeles Lakers on Wednesday night. Before the game, he was also offered a personalized crown and shirt, and the boy had the opportunity to meet Josh Jackson, Suns player. But what had everything to become a sad memory had actually become a beautiful memory. That's because the Phoenix Rising Football Club invited Teddy to participate in a local game. On Twitter, they wrote, "Teddy can get these pizzas and join these 7,000 closest friends this Friday. Come, Teddy." The club's vice president has since confirmed that he'll be going to the game. Phoenix Suns also offered tickets to the next basketball game. On Facebook, many people also shared messages of congratulations after American reporter Nick Vincent wrote about the fact. People sympathized, and sure enough, Teddy will remember the date with joy now. It was not long before the NBA team, Phoenix Suns, invited the child to watch the game against the Lakers this Wednesday and have the opportunity to celebrate with thousands of people. The football club, Phoenix Rising FC, also invited Teddy to a game next Friday, October 26th. A representative said fans had contacted him to find out how to help, and some even wanted to buy a personalized jersey for the boy. The hockey group, the Arizona Coyotes, in turn organized a new party for the minor during the next game, Saturday, October 27th. And informs that anyone who wishes to give a gift to Teddy can drop it off at the main gate of the arena. No child should have to go through something like that on their birthday. What a great gesture from the teams to save the day. We're sending our greetings too, so that Teddy, age 6, knows that he's not alone. Share this story with your friends and wish Teddy a happy birthday. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.